Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this LHCD replacement battery for the LG G5. So that's my third battery. I had already a couple of them, a green one, yellow one, now that's a black one. It's around $12. So it's surprising to see that we still can buy these. Yeah, there seem to be still quite some community or a lot of buyers for these kind of batteries. It's surprisingly, I mean, the LG G5 was not a huge success, but it looks like most of the people who bought it are still sticking with it. And yeah, the major or one of the big reasons, of course, is the camera. It has this huge wide angle, which I think no other manufacturer has been able to achieve. And yeah, here the battery, of course, if you don't remember how to open that, so we push on the side and pull it down here. And the reason why it's going so rough, that's a reason. By the way, this we can just pull here out. The reason is that it's like a bulged up. You can see, maybe if I hold it from the side, this is not crazy, but still the hold in front of the black, maybe you can see it better. It is a little bit, yeah, actually heavily bulged here in the middle. So the last one which I had, I think that was the green one. And I was actually happy with the green one and also with this one, but at the end they bulged. And it even pushed to this screen, so at the end the screen was heavily bulged here. It was crazy. It's surprisingly how much power or how much force this screen can handle without being damaged. So yeah, this is definitely end of life. This is over, so I'm going to use this one. So this is how it comes, and it also says 3500 milliamps. Yeah, this one says 2800 milliampere hours. This one is 3500 milliampere hours, so it's a little bit more. That's the good thing. So apart from that, and the fact that the yellow one is bulged, so it looks really pretty much the same. So I'm going to add it and use it for a week or two, and then I'm going to make the rest of the video. Of course, everything will be in this video here. So unfortunately I forgot to check where the contacts are. I think it's on this side. So that's the imprint that goes to the back. I mean, here we have the LG, so the pins are then on the left side. So I think this is how it will be, and you can see this is much easier. That was not possible with the yellow battery, and we just push it in. We don't have to secure it here, and we turn it on, and let's see if there is some kind of pre-charge. Usually there is. I mean, I'm not recommending to do that. I'm just doing this because of the YouTube video to show you how it arrives. If it has some charge, it's already pretty good. So maybe we get 50%. That would already be nice, because usually, I mean, as a rule of thumb, if it comes totally empty, drained, no juice inside the battery, that's not a good sign. So here we get 32%. That's not bad. That's usually a good sign. I mean, sometimes you get even a little bit more, 50%, sometimes 75%, sometimes even 100%. I've seen that, but I have already seen quite some batteries arriving with 0%, and usually it turned out the battery then went bad pretty fast. So, but it doesn't have to be all the time. I've seen different things, but I'm going to use it now for some time, and then we'll see how it turns out about in a week or so. By the way, how I found that this battery was going bad, I mean, it was still working. I've been able to charge it. It just discharged a little bit faster than usual, and usually it went down to about 30%, maybe 25%, and then immediately stopped working. So that was not the case. as long as it was working properly. So usually you have the 40, 30, 20, 10%, and then it's going to slowly say goodbye. But with this battery it said instantly goodbye at about 25 or even 30%, so I knew there's something wrong. So there's definitely an indication when it's not behaving really great. Just check the battery before it destroys your mobile phone. And so this is my experience about 1 week with this new LG battery. And yeah, at the beginning it was heavily struggling. I don't know if the battery just needed a little bit to get used to really work, to charge and discharge. Of course, it was a day where I was recording a lot and the battery didn't come fully charged, and so I had the impression that it discharged really fast. But also the phone got really hot. I don't know if there was some task running in the back or if it just was the battery. It was really strange, and I was close to remove it and went back to something else or just leave it, but I stopped it and I turned it off overnight and charged it then again and started. And during the next couple of days it somehow improved and improved and improved, and now I am at, I would say, full speed. So I am at a rate or battery performance which was actually the best what I've ever seen. So I have fully charged the battery today in the morning and it was fully connected the whole day, and you can see I have a lot of apps. I mean, these are just the ones which I have here, and I have even some widgets and a lot of stuff really. I mean, this thing is full. You can see that. That's crazy what I have. It's not empty, and it was connected the whole day with the Wi-Fi, so there were things running in the back, and the battery now is at 86%. Hope you can see that here, 86%. So that's not bad. That's definitely not bad. And yeah, after 1 week I'm super happy with that now. It works for me absolutely perfect at the moment. I of course cannot tell you how it will develop over the course of next months or so, but at the moment it works really good, and I'll keep you updated. So if there's no update here in the video, just let me know down in the feedback area and just ask any question you have. Don't hesitate. I'm always happy to talk about the thing. And yeah, I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.